All right, so in this section, we're gonna just look at your dashboard here. Once you're signed in and have your profile created, you got some stuff here on the left and the right. We have 3 different sections. The applications section, which by default, you got SAS Studio, so that's locked in. The courses I teach, that's just for professors really, and then the courses you're enrolled in. And so once you've enrolled in your course, that's gonna be populated. On the right, we've got some good resources. The support site that'll take you back to the on-demand homepage. Step-by-step guides for uploading data, registering, everything that we're gonna show you in this video. And then a more in-depth user guide that talks about SAS Studio and the other applications, limitations, features, things like that. And last but not least is the good old FAQ, or the commonly asked question. And so if you've got kind of a simple question, you could probably go there and find it.
It does have a lot of good information.
It really does.
All right, so now that we kind of are familiar with the dashboard, one thing to keep in mind is that if there are any, going to be any system downtimes for maintenance or any kind of like upgrade or anything like that, there will be a banner across the top of the screen that will let you know. So that is good just to kind of note that if you see something out there, you do want to take a look at it and see what's going on. But now we're going to go ahead and enroll in a course. So we're going to go back to our email here. And
so your professor, when they created the course, it's their job to send you the enrollment link.
Correct.
So you can essentially go to your inbox, and if they've got your correct email, you should see an enrollment link here.
Right. So here's the enrollment link. And you do want to note that when you are clicking on this enrollment link, it is best to already be signed in to your dashboard for On Demand for Academics, okay? So we're going to go ahead and click that link. And it's going to ask us, do we want to enroll in this course? Well, yeah, we want to enroll in this course. I mean, you can choose no. May not help much, but yeah. But so we're going to go ahead and enroll. So click yes.
Maybe it's just the wrong course.
Yeah, maybe. It could be. So it says you are now enrolled.
Yeah.
So we're going to go down here. Courses I am enrolled in. Demo 1, stats. Instructor, well, he doesn't have a name, sadly. And unfortunately, he's at North Carolina State University. But, we all know that East Carolina wins every time.
Okay.
So
I see how it is.
I'm sorry, but it's just the way it is.
All right, fair enough. In our next section, we're gonna go ahead and get into SAS Studio so that we can check out all of SAS Studio's features and everything, as well as look at some of your course data that your instructor should have uploaded for you, and how to upload your own personal data.